for the 13th time, having previously supported multiple missions, including GPS vehicles 4 and 5, Inspiration 4, Axiom 1, Nalsat 301, and 7 separate Starlink missions. Entry burn starting here shortly.
Stage 1 entry burn, startup.
There is the start of the entry burn.
Stage 1 entry burn, shutdown.
Good entry burn from the first stage.
Stage 1 FTS is safed.
The flight termination system is safe for stage 1. You can see those attitude control thrusters on the first stage firing there.
Both vehicles continue to follow nominal trajectories.
Both first and second stages are looking good. And our next milestone is the stage 1 landing burn, which is coming all the way back to landing zone 1 in Cape Canaveral, starting in about 15 seconds here.
Stage 1 transonic.
Stage 2 FTS is safed.
Stage 1 landing burn.
Start of our stage 1 landing burn. That's great drone footage of the first stage that you can see on the right-hand side of your screen. Incredible views from first stage coming down on
Stage
landing
1
zone
land and let deploy.
That was a beautiful landing.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Beautiful landing of the first stage, and there you have it. That landing marks
Stage 2 is in terminal guidance.
That landing marks SpaceX's 177th recovery of an orbital class rocket, including the first stage landings of Falcon 9 and Heavy. And now